In today's video, I am going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your Epson EcoTank ET-3830 printer. This is the manual printhead cleaning. The first step is to unlock the printhead. For that we have to place a page for the copy and just send a command for the copy. Select black or color. Once you hear the movement of the printhead, we will unplug the power cable. So let's start printing. Unplug it. Now open the printhead chamber from this side. That's our printhead, and we can just move it. Unscrew this box. So there is a screw on the right hand side. So just remove it. Now you can just lift this. So slide it on the right hand side and then lift it up. Take it off carefully. These are our cartridges which takes the ink from the ink tank. Now let's take them out one by one. So press this button and then you can just lift it and have a look inside. You can see if the ink is flowing or not. That gives an idea. So this way we have to just unlock all the 4 ink cartridges. Inside we have the printhead and we have to take it out. So there is one screw on this corner. So we'll just unlock it. And that is here. Another is to take out this plate, and it is actually locked, so we have to unlock it from both sides. Now press the lock from one side. So there is a small lock, and it will automatically lift it up. Now press the other side. It's just behind those wires, connecting wires. Once you lift it, now we can take it out. It comes out like this. So make sure you don't break it. Take it out carefully. There are another 2 screws. We have to unscrew them. So we can clearly see those 2 screws here. So one is here and the other on the other side. So that's another screw, 1. So there are total 3 screws to remove from here. The best way is to push it from one side and place something inside the hook and just take it out. So that's our printhead. So that is our printhead, and we just have to clean it. Now to clean it properly, you can just remove this, just pull it, this strip, and take the printhead. Now take a wet tissue or a clean tissue. Now take this printhead and a tissue paper and clean this printhead properly. So you can just clean it nicely to make sure the clogged ink is removed. You can use a wet paper. You can use a wet tissue paper. That will definitely help to unclog the printheads. So once we clean it gently, it should be working normal. Now we can place it back. So first step is to plug in this power. So just plug it in here. So it's gone in. Now we can place it back. So let it go. Press it little bit, it will settle properly. Now place the screws back. So first we are going to place the 2 screws. Now go for the second. Place this plate back, so place it in its position, press it down, it will lock itself. That's the third screw. Now place the ink cartridges. So we just have to follow the same method, like it will, as you will see, there are markings. So place them back. So we'll start with the black. So that goes here. And then comes the next color, that is cyan. Then comes the magenta. Now comes the yellow. Once we do this, now we will place this back. Now place this cover, so slide it in. Now place this cover back, so that's the white cover. Place it here, slide on that side. Now place the final screw. So we have completed the manual printhead cleaning. Close it. Plug in the power cable. Let's do a copy. So I'm going to copy the color sheet that will show up if all the 4 colors are working normal or not. So that is a color copy. We can see all the colors are showing up, and it will take at least few hours for the printout. Now to improve the print quality, now go to the printer display panel, go to the maintenance and select the printhead cleaning and click on the start. So it will take another 3 minutes. It will unclog the print heads and it will flush some ink, and that will make the printouts look better. So once you do the printhead cleaning, all the lines will show up normal and it will start printing normal. Just confirm like it is done. Let's do a copy again. So I'm just going, so I have already placed a page for the copy. Let's do the color copy and click on the print. So this will so there is improvement in the printing. So this way we can do the manual cleaning of the print heads. And if you want to improve more print quality, after doing the manual printhead cleaning, you can do the power cleaning. But for that, make sure you have enough ink in the ink tank so that you don't run out of the ink. If you want to do how to do the power cleaning, you can watch my video on that. This way we can do the printhead cleaning of this printer. Thanks for watching.